Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I'll be teaching you guys how to edit on Davinci Resolve. And today we'll start with the basics of editing. And also, before we go into the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let's go right into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to create a folder. So come down to new folder and then click on it, and then I'm just going to name this maybe folder, I guess. Yeah, folder. Then create, then open up folder, and then the next thing is to create a project inside the folder. Now I'm going to name this project editing. Oh, mistake. Editing tutorial. Yeah. So after that, you click on create. So after you've created your project, your screen becomes wider than normal and it becomes like this. So edit and then go back up, right click here, then timeline, move to the right, create new timeline. After that, you can choose to change the name, but I'll choose to leave this one like this. Next is the audio. I'll also choose to leave it the way it is. Then I'll come down and uncheck this, and then format. It's always best to leave your video as 1080p, and then your frame rate, you can choose to leave it at 30, maybe 50, but I choose to use 60. So next thing you create this, and then your timeline is ready, and then you can drag the video you import down here. So let's go ahead and import a video. So we'll go to import media, then choose any video you want to edit, click on it, and then next thing you do, you open the video. See, it appears up here right beside the timeline, and then next thing you just have to drag it down to the timeline itself where you edit it. So you can just play to find out where you can cut or fix anything you want to down here. So with all that's done, the next thing that you would have to do now is to export. So you come down to this spaceship looking icon here, click on it, then it will bring you to this page. So here you can actually export with custom, which would go directly to your computer, or you can export directly to your YouTube or Vimeo, Twitter, etc. Or you can just choose to export just your audio. So you go down here, click on this and export your audio. That's if you want the audio alone, but for now we'll just stick with our normal custom. So click on this, and then here we'll name this video as, we'll name it final. That's what I like naming end product of my videos. So you choose the location you want to save it to. So I'll just choose my name, save it under my folder, so it will be easy for me to find. I'm sure you guys do that as well. So with this done, we just come down to add to render queue. So once it's done, you go straight to the right end or top right, whatever. That's where you find it, and then you render now. So you click on render. So right now it's rendering, and you just wait till it hits 100. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's actually a growing channel, so please, I need all the support I can get. Share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video with more tutorials coming your way. Thank you very much. Bye bye.